What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. What we're going to do today, we're going to go over the last day of the week, Friday. It's finally here. So before we do that, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. That way, you stay on top of these dynamite plays. We got some data tomorrow at 10 o'clock in the morning. After that, we already know what to do. We sit back, we hang tight, we wait for a clear direction, and then we pounce on that bad boy. First ticker out of the gate, newbies and beginners, y'all come up. Got something for y'all. First ticker is going to be SMCI. We're sitting at 29.55. If you are a bull, what you want to see is this level right here at 29.90 get taken out. They can take out that. Boom, we run into 30.50 and they can go higher after that. If you are a bear, what you want to see is this level right here at 29.30 get taken out. They can take out that. You got some more area of interest at 28.90. They break through that. They're going to start that little trip right back down. You got a shelf level here where these tops met with these at 28.05. They break through that. Boom, they coming down to 26.55, and we know they can fall, and they can fall hard. I'm looking to pick this back up somewhere around in this area in here. If they can ever make it to $17 again, buy it and watch it go back up. Next ticker up is going to be DOCU, Discord request. They're sitting at 80.25. If you see their history from today, they had that run up 78.40. They boomed this thing up to 80.10. Then they got the little slow chop creep up and they ran it up to 80.55. They're sitting at 80.25. If you are a bull, what you want to see is 80.55 get taken out. They can take out 80.55. You got 80.60. That's going to be a heavy level right there before they start trying to climb up. Let me see. Expect heavy turbulence around that area. That's going to be a heavy level. Expect bears to come into play around the 80.55 mark. They got smacked several times from there, but if they can get through it, you got 80.90 and some turbulence at 81.20. They break through that. Boom, you got 81.70. They're going to come back up to this stuff at 82.40. We'll handle that in real time once they start getting past those areas. If you are a bear, what you want to see is these bottoms right here get taken out. They can take out these bottoms at 80.10. They coming down to this stuff right here at 79.50. Break through that. You got 79.10. Ultimately, they trying to break through this stuff right here. 78.45 will take them to this area right here at 77.90. So there you go in that ticker. Last but not least, for the newbies and beginners, we got SoFi. They're sitting at 15.10. If you are a bull, what you want to see is 15.25 get taken out. They can take out that. You got another level. These little areas right here where they got smacked right here, you want to see 15.35 get taken out. They can take out that. Boom, next level is 15.55 before they start trying to run this thing back up. If you are a bear, what you want to see this shelf level right here at 15.05 get taken out. They can take out that. You got 15 even. They break through that right there. They're going to come down to this stuff right in here, 14.70s. What goes up must come down. They had a nice little run, but it looks like bears came into play and started dragging this thing right back down. Expect heavy level around 14.70. If bulls unable to catch it and bounce it back up, then they coming back down to this stuff right here at 14.40 before they start trying to pull this thing back. There you go in SoFi. Big ballers, shot callers, where y'all at? Y'all come up to the table. We ready to grind it out for you guys. First ticker up will be QQQ. They're sitting at 504.50. If you are a bull, you want to see these areas right here get taken out. This middle piece, 504.90 get taken out. They can take out that. Boom, you come into here, 505.55. Next level up from there is 506.30. If you are a bear, what you want to see is this level right here at 504.20 get taken out. They can take out that right there. You coming back down to this chef level in here, 502.90. Next level down is going to be this stuff up in here where they got smacked right in here. These bottoms at 501.90 will handle in real time once they start getting past that. But guys, if you watched the video that I put out last night, I covered QQQ and it made the exact moves that I said that was going to happen. They ran this thing up to 507. I called out 507. What did we get to? 506.99. Close enough for me. There you go in QQQ. The next ticker up is going to be Tesla. They're sitting at 340 even. If you are a bull, what you want to see is 340.60 get taken out. They can take out that. Boom, you got 342.10 run. If they can break through that, you got this little area up in here, 342.45, and then boom, 344.75 run. They break through that, you got 345.20. Next level up is going to be 347.90. If you are a bear, what you want to see this little area in here, as you see where they got smacked at, all up in here. You want to see 339.50 get taken out. They can take out that. You got this bottom at 338.20. They lose that. Boom. They're coming back down to 335.10. There you go in Tesla. Last but not least, we're going to throw the SPY on the chart. Sitting at 593.35. If you are a bull, what you want to see them open somewhere around 394.40 for some continuation from today. If they can break through that, boom, we got 595.10 on deck. If you are a bear, what you want to see this level right here at 393.05 get taken out. They can take out that. Boom, we coming down to 591.95. Next level down is going to be 590.70, and they lose that right there. Boom, we coming down to 588.35. Guys, you already know we called SPY today. We made money on both sides in SPY. We made money when it was dropping all the way down, and we made money when they was booming that thing back up top. Man, we had fun. This was fun. As you see, SPY. We caught 10 o'clock in the morning. SPY, 589.35 breakdown. Next level is 589.10, 588.60, then 588.45. Heavy level. That means when I throw that heavy level out, that means if you are in puts, think about preserving some profit. The bears are trying to run that thing down, and they're going to get to a point to where they can't go down no lower because them bears is right there pushing and pushing and pushing. Not the bears, but the bulls. They pushing and they pushing. They are not going to make it easy for the bears. That is considered a heavy level. Once they get there, you got the bulls and the bears. They fighting. You got the bears trying to push it down, and you got more bulls saying, no, 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 not right now. And you see what happens. It triggers a crazy reaction. And you see what happened at 588.45. They boom that thing right back up. But we caught that thing. We walked that thing down. And you already see, boom. Who else calling out shots like this? We out here. We grinding it level to level. Then we caught that thing up. All three targets that we put out there, we hit. It bounced. If you look at this chart right here, I gave out the level 588.45 when we was in the 590s. And it bounced right at 585.45, and as you see, they bounced it all the way up, almost a $2. Well, it is a $2 bounce from my heavy level. That's why I tell you guys, I give you levels to the upside, I give you levels to the downside. I let you know once we get here, think about preserving, because the worst thing in the world is watching your green trade, $300-400 in profit, turn into red. And man, it's a sad feeling. It's a sucky feeling. And it's just a depressing thing to have to deal with after you knew you were up in profit and you knew you should have hit that sell button and you didn't. And you think it's going to come back your way, and it never does. Guys, always remember, before you jump into a play, have your plan. Did you write down what your plan was going to be? Grab a pen, grab a piece of paper before you get into that play. Say, hey, I'm buying SPY at this level right here. My plan, if I don't set a stop loss, I'm getting out. Once it crosses this level right here, I'm done with the play. If it goes my way, once I'm in this much of profit, I'm selling. Period. I don't care what it does after that. Doesn't matter. Or either have a strategy. I always tell you, if we going up and it's above the 9 and it's above the 20, we ain't getting out of that play until it start crossing through that 9, going down to that 20, I'm out of that play. But I always let you know, if it didn't break past this certain point, usually the 20 EMA, don't get out of those plays yet, because that's just Wall Street trying to trick you out. But you have a plan. Know where you want to sell at when things go left. That way you can have more wins. It feels good to walk out of a day in a green trade when the profits is up and everything is all green all across your board. So just try that. Have a plan before you go into a play. So, man, but we had fun. We knocked this thing out. And when they turned the tables around, you already know we was riding right there with the Bulls. As you see, SPY. Bulls need to hold above that level at 591 to get back to the higher stuff. SPY, upside targets, 593.35, 593.60, 594.40. And as you see, we walking that thing down. You already know what's going on. Tiger knocking that hat out. What are we doing? We eating, we celebrating, we popping champagne bottles, because you already know, boom, all targets hit. We knocked that thing out of the ballpark. So guys, we out here grinding, we doing the doggone thing. But hey, if you like this kind of content, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. If you like sniper type, level to level periodic breakdowns of your favorite ticker, SPY, Nvidia, Tesla, Palantir, Hut, Hood, Nike, go ahead and join me in my Discord. The link is in the description below. And as always, we grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.